Hello, hello. Joy bells keep ringing in my soul. Joy bells keep ringing in my soul. Hello, royal family. Happy Thursday. I am back again. You guys, I am doing so good. All of these sweets I am cooking, I'm getting them out of the house the same day. Like the whoopie pies, which was so delicious. I only ate one out of that whole bunch and gave them away. Yay! My daughter said, it looks like I'm trying to lose weight. All right now, bring my sexy back, bring my sexy back. All right, with that being said, this is no lie, you guys. I was asleep last night and I had planned on doing this wonderful soup. I'm like, I'm really in the mood for some soup, some really good, nice soup. And I was sleeping. I woke up and I heard clear as day, Daiquiri ice pound cake. I'm like, what? Daiquiri ice pound cake. And immediately my brain started thinking, Daiquiri ice pound cake, Daiquiri ice pound cake, Daiquiri ice pound cake. And I was like, okay, how am I going to execute this? So I got to thinking. And guess what? We're doing Daiquiri ice pound cake. So with that being said, thanks to all of my new subscribers and my ride and die subscribers. And just in case you guys comment below and I don't answer, I have a few, I don't want to call them nuts. I just think, they kind of need a life. I did not know this. They would send me something and I would give it a heart or comment on it. Then I would go down to my settings and community and they would be a hidden user. So I hope some of you guys know that when you get some kind of weird people and you either hit the heart or you comment on it, they can actually go in and be a hidden user on your YouTube channel. I'm like, is this crazy or what? So every day I check it and I'm very careful of who I heart to or I comment to. But with that being said, you guys, let's get ready this time to rumble. And let's do this Daiquiri ice pound cake. Okay, let me show you the ingredients for this Daiquiri ice pound cake. And let me give you a little tip. Whenever you're making a cake and it just calls for butter, always add oil. Whether the recipe says it or not, it will make your cake really moist. You can use 3 sticks of butter, but if you don't put oil in it, most of the time your cake texture is not going to come out right. All right, here I have 5 eggs, and this is going to be the star of the show. I know you're going to be like, are you kidding me? This is Baskin-Robbins Daiquiri ice cream. It has a tangy, wonderful flavor. Let me show you the color, if I can get it off. I'll have to show it to you when I mix it in the cake. But anyway, I'm going to use this Baskin-Robbins Daiquiri ice cream. Of course, 2 sticks of butter. We're going to need milk. We're going to need Wesson oil. I prefer canola. And we're just going to use a hint of the key lime. And we're going to make a mascarpone, I hope I'm saying that right, drizzle for this cake. Always need leavening agents. That would be baking soda, baking powder. I use this for my scones, so that's the reason I have this large one. We're going to need flour and sugar. Always, the beginning of a pound cake, you're going to cream the oil, the butter, and the sugar for 5 minutes. Remember that, 5 minutes. That's how long you're going to cream it. Let me get my butter, oil, and sugar in, then I'll come back. Okay, this is how your mixture should look once you've creamed it for 5 minutes. Very light and smooth. And now we're going to add, we have 5 eggs. We're going to add them one at a time for 20 seconds or until you cannot see the yolk. All right, so we'll put this on medium and start adding the eggs. All right, I wanted you to see that. You still see the yolk. Okay, now you don't. Let's add another egg. I cut it off so you could hear me. Let's add another egg. And let's go again. All right, let me put the other 3 in, then I'll come back. Okay, now we're adding the milk. We're going to alternate the milk and flour. And once you see this combined pretty well, okay, I'm hoping not to splash this. Can you see the flour? It's a little blurry, I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to do the milk again, then some flour. Then I'll come back and show you what we're going to do with the ice cream. All right, we still have some milk and flour left. But what we're going to do now, this is the Daiquiri ice cream. You see it has that kind of a greenish color. It is very good. It's sweet and tart, but it's really delicious. We're going to pour a cup of this. You want it really soft into this mixture here. So let's go ahead and we're going to use the rest for the mascarpone drizzle. Okay, Abra. Okay. Now let's mix it up together. See? Okay, we got that incorporated. So we got the Daiquiri ice cream incorporated. And when I come back, we'll get ready to put it in the Bundt pan. Heat your oven to 325 degrees. Okay, in the oven at 325 for an hour and 15 minutes. After an hour, check it to see if a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Then you can take it out. If not, let it bake for another 15 minutes. We'll come back with a drizzle. Okay, Raw family, the cake has cooled. I want you to see how beautiful that is. Is that gorgeous or what? So this is the Daiquiri Ice Pound Cake. Now we're going to do, I'm going to say the icing or the drizzle. In this bowl here, I have a half a cup of Daiquiri ice. I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. I have 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lime juice and a pinch of salt. I'm going to stir this up and we're going to drizzle it over the cake. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I want to make a correction on, I needed 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. I said 2, but it's actually 3.5 to get the drizzle consistency that I am needing. Okay, Royal family, here is the finished presentation of the Daiquiri Ice Pound Cake. When I tell you I hit a home run, oh my Lord. And again, you guys, I literally dreamed about making this cake. But anyway, This is the color of the daiquiri ice. And if you like, you can spread some on your cake. But let me show you this cake right quick. I want you to see this. And then I just glazed it. Look at that. Is that some kind of delicious? And it tastes just like the daiquiri ice sorbet. All right, let me go in. Winner, winner! Woo! This is delicious, you guys. Oh my Lord. Look at this. Look at that. You see how moist that is? Oh yeah. This one you definitely want to try. Put it in your recipe book. All right, you guys. This is it for this week's video. I would come back on Sunday, but this is Grandma or Granny Week with my granddaughter. If I don't post the instructions and the recipe tonight, I will have it on before the weekend ends. You guys stay blessed, stay safe. Please share and subscribe. Please make sure your notification bell is on. And until we meet again, God bless you. Delicious.